Many users are experiencing an issue where they can only see replies when trying to reply, suggesting the forum appears broken. This issue is likely due to a technical glitch or maintenance on the forum server. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. Firstly, refresh the page. Try refreshing the forum page to see if the issue resolves itself. This is often the simplest and most effective solution for temporary glitches. Secondly, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Cache data can sometimes interfere with the proper functioning of websites, so clearing it out can help resolve the issue. Thirdly, try a different browser. If you are using a browser like Chrome, try switching to Firefox or Edge to see if the issue persists. Sometimes browser-specific issues can cause problems with website display and functionality. Fourthly, contact the forum's support team. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, you can try contacting the forum's support team to report the problem and seek assistance. They may be able to provide more specific guidance or escalate the issue to their technical team. Fifthly, wait it out. Sometimes these technical issues resolve themselves within a short period. You can try waiting for a few hours or checking back later to see if the forum is functioning normally. Server maintenance or temporary glitches are often resolved quickly by the website's administrators. To elaborate on the first step, refreshing the page essentially reloads the current web page from the server. This can help clear any temporary loading errors or glitches that may be preventing the replies from displaying correctly. You can typically refresh a page by pressing the F5 key or by clicking the refresh button in your browser's toolbar. Moving on to the second step, clearing your browser's cache and cookies involves removing temporary files and data that your browser stores from websites you've visited. This data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, leading to display issues or other problems. To clear your browser's cache and cookies, you'll typically need to access your browser's settings menu. The exact steps may vary depending on the browser you're using, but generally, you can find the option to clear browsing data in the privacy or security section of the settings menu. When clearing your browsing data, be sure to select the options to clear both cache and cookies. As for the third step, trying a different browser can help determine whether the issue is specific to your current browser or a more general problem with the forum itself. Different browsers may handle website code and rendering in slightly different ways, so switching to a different browser can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. If the forum works correctly in a different browser, it may indicate that there's a problem with your current browser's settings or extensions. In a fourth step, contacting the forum support team is a good option if you've tried all the other troubleshooting steps and the issue persists. The support team may have specific knowledge of the problem or be able to provide more targeted assistance. When contacting support, be sure to provide as much detail as possible about the issue you're experiencing, including the steps you've already taken to try to resolve it. Also, include the browser you are using. Finally, with the fifth step, waiting it out can be a viable option if the issue appears to be a temporary glitch or server-side problem. Website administrators often perform maintenance or updates that can temporarily disrupt the normal functioning of a website. In such cases, the issue may resolve itself once the maintenance is complete. In the meantime, you can check back periodically to see if the forum is functioning normally again.